So how we can make those steps beautiful? So number one, we're gonna take a look at our feet. So we will do slight 45-degree turnout, and we will, when we step, we will try to place our feet with the slight turnout. And either we're going to our rock step, stepping forward, replacing back, or even in place, we have cha, cha, cha. So instead of having feet this way or parallel, we're gonna have slight turnout, and that's already will make our dancing more beautiful. So feet turn out, let's try. Turn out as we rock step, replace, keeping turn out, cha, cha, cha. Turn out on the back, rock, step, cha, cha, cha. Turn out in front, rock, step, cha, cha, cha. So the next tip, which we want to share with you, it's how you move your feet across the floor. So ideally you have a dance shoes, therefore you can drag your foot to the floor. Instead of lifting it and going up and over, we're gonna slide our foot to the floor as we keep natural turnout. So we slide our foot to the rock step 2, 3. Now we slide our foot using the pressure to the floor, cha, cha, cha. And here on the back, instead of lifting and going back, we're gonna slide on the floor 2, keep the other foot on the floor 3, and a cha, cha, cha. So when we dance in this way, it allows our body to start already producing some beautiful body actions. Instead of it's only too much legs and steps, which is very good to start with, but it's not the best on the long run. So we already have 2 tips, natural turnout, and we keep our feet on the floor, touching all the time. Cha, cha, cha. Now, for the females, especially, the tip number 3, it's to have a brushing between your legs as you move. As you move your leg from one position to another, or even you change weight, you want to have that brushing always be with you, because you don't want to have this type of hole between your legs for aesthetic reasons. So let's have our natural turnout too. Let's also have connection to the floor and brushing here. Cha, cha, cha. 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. And last but not the least, it's your body action. Of course, your hips are doing slight figure 8 and your upper body is moving, but the best direction for us to produce a beautiful actions which are in harmony with every other step, it's compression from shoulder to the hip. So this little motion. So this little motion going from the shoulder into the hip, into the floor, this compressing type of motion, that's what we want to focus on. So if we change weight in our cha-cha-cha, we connect our shoulder to hip and pressing down, and also keeps us quite grounded. Cha, cha, 1. So here as we rock step, we press our shoulder towards the hip. 2, replace here. 3, you have cha, cha, cha. And 2, and 3, cha, 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 and 2, and 3, and cha, cha, cha. So once we nail down this compression feel, we compress, then we can add slight rotation of the hip around your leg. So if you not follow this system, you try just to move hips, it could look a little bit all over the place. But if we use compression and then we rotate around the leg, it looks much more beautiful, much more in harmony with the rest. So let's try with cha-cha-cha. First we go compress, rotate on the first cha, compress, rotate on the second, and on the third. Now the same on the rock step. So we step, we compress, there's a small rotation around the leg, compress, rotate, compress, rotate, compress, rotate, compress, rotate. So let's try a little bit faster, starting with the rock step. And 2, 3, cha, 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 and 2, 3, cha, 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 and 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. Now, for the arm style, just keep your arms in front of you and let the, almost like a wave going from shoulder to the elbow to the wrist, let the arm just continue that beautiful body movement instead of moving arms on its own. Or for exercise purpose, you just can keep your arms here like in little box. So it's allow you to isolate your upper body so you can already produce some beautiful body actions. So let's try it. And 2, 3, cha, 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 and 2, 3, cha, 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 and 2, 3, cha, cha, cha. Okay, Oleg is tired. No.